Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zia. I am new. I'm on the YouTube world, so please bear with my um natural face. So yeah. Down below, as you know, the title of my videos. Not recent, but like I think it was 5, 6, 7, I don't know, like 2 months ago. I still have the receipt, but I don't know where it is. But I bought a more expensive hair dryer than my last hair dryer. Why I bought a more expensive hair dryer? I have no clue why, but yeah. As you can see, like I wanted like more powerful, more quietness, and more less heaviness. Um, Hair dryer. Because on my last one, it's kind of broke from the back side of the hair dryer, and as you can see it's fan, and I do not want to like use it because what if it get like on fire, so yeah. And then I've been eyeing this hair dryer for not eyeing this the next hair dryer for I don't know, like 2 years now, 2 3 years. I haven't gotten the money since like, I'm really old and I'm really irresponsible. so so last year I bought my hair dryer, so that is so awesome for me. Again, I don't know when I bought this. I just know it is last year or 2, 3, 4 months ago. I'm not sure. So yeah, so I'm gonna introduce you to it now, and it is right here. Sorry, I am like far away from my desk since I don't have my like again, I am a freaking newbie of this, okay? So just bear with me. So anyways, yeah, so it is this, I have used this for over like 4, 5, 10 millions of times. It's really powerful, as you can see. I didn't know what to do, and I just picked Fuchsia. I think that's how you say it. But yeah, this new support, this is like still new because I've been taking care of it to make this. But yeah, and then as you can see, these plastic paper thing, it is still on. This is how careful I am, and it is so expensive to me. So this cost me like $4.25. So it is $3.99 plus tax. So it'll be $4.25, I think. So yeah, it's really expensive. And what it comes with is a not plastic. So it's come with a mat, hair dryer mat. At first I didn't even know what the hell is this is. This is for your hair dryer. If your desk is all icky like my desk is, you can place it on thing or it won't slide off or anything like that. And then it's come with a hair dryer diffuser. I haven't seen this around lately, so if you have curly hair, you could just like that. Since I have long hair, I won't be needing this. And then it's come with a wide, I don't know, I forgot what this is. This is wide, and this is a band kind of short. I don't know what they call. I forgot. So and yeah, this is these two are just the three they comment into the box with the hair dryer and the mat too. So it's really cool. I won't be needing these because I just wanted to use um the full hair dryer, if you can see. So yeah, so then I gonna show you ever since I've been kind of like away from YouTube. I I was gonna begin in like 2 3 months ago, since I didn't have time to like record a video for you guys. So this is my chance to show you guys what I can do. So yeah, and as you can see now, my hair is dry. I mean not dry. It's just damping right now. I've been laying down, air drying it, towering it. So and I think it's kind of dry. But anyways, I'm just gonna use my heat protectant that I've been using for generation to generation. Trust me, and it can hold up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat tamer, heat tamer, leave-in spray. So yeah, I've been using these guys for a lot of times. So I really love it because it protects your hair. Since my back hair story is I've been dyeing it a lot. I've been dyeing it for like to blonde. So yeah, so it got bleached. My hair got all bleached after, and then it was like this is so boring of me. I said like dye back to black and blonde and black and blonde and black and blonde, and then my hair got murdered. Like I used to have like long hair to my bottom. Shoot, I cannot say this word, can I? My bottom chest. Okay, chest. Okay. So yeah, so it is now this long, and then I have things now. My okay, so my story was my hair dyed on just the just like imagine I have long ass hair. Okay. Okay, sorry, I split that part. So I have long hair like this long, and then it got murdered. So I cut it this long, and then I think this long, and then my one of the hairstylists said, "Oh my god, you look just like chicken ballsy that girl, I don't know what her name is, the yellow hair girl who is probably the enemy of Goku or Gohan, I don't know." So yeah, and then I kept on dyeing it until it got murdered by me. So yeah, now I'm trying to like continue it so that I won't murder anyone. So anyway, just began. So again, hate tuners, saving your life. If you like have a virgin hair and you don't care, oh my god, like girl, don't do it. I use a hate tuner spray. So yeah, this is almost empty. When this is empty, since I don't usually shop on online, I refill this with water. Why? I have no clue because I'm too lazy, girl. So yeah, so let's again. Don't stress me, okay, guys. I'm just a girl like you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it air dry. I forgot my brush, so I could just come right there, but just use my finger to excuse me. Okay, so now everything is all so how do I start with this? So you see this button up here? This is the on button, and it's gonna, like, when you purchase it, it's gonna do like all three sides, you know. And then I really like it because it gives you like more less heat. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. And then if you don't want to use heat, I really love this hair dryer because, like, if you don't want heat to go through your hair and damage it, you could like just use this. You could like just go like this, and then it will just cool, you know. So, oh my god, like, seriously, I really love this hair dryer. At the beginning of my opening of this hair dryer, I was like, do I really have to hold this hair? I mean, this part of my hair, because like most of the hair dryers that I purchased always have this button on, and then like it will hurt your finger, I guess, or your hand from holding it. So I really love it that it have that choice of the cool setting. So yeah, and then you could like just you could like just, and then for the and for the and for the fan setting thing, you could like set it to 3, 2, 1, 2, which I really like. And yeah, I think that is it. So I gonna hair blow my hair, hair dry my hair. What's the difference, anyways? But yeah, so it's very getting there. So yeah, so. So I'm just using all 6 settings on each one. 2 settings on each one. So it's like so, oh my god, it is freaking hot. So yeah, this, wow, it's like really powerful, you know. And then I'm gonna show you the second heat setting to show you what it feel like. It's really gentle, you know. So really quiet too, since I did not want to wake up my neighbors. It's okay. And then I'm gonna use the last setting, the heck, last setting. So the first one, yeah. Now it is dry. Okay, and then I'm gonna use to dry this hair too. And then I'm gonna use the fan on the first setting. So I can use both settings on one. It's not really that strong, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna go to setting number 2. And setting number 3. Wow. Okay, it is dry. Kind of fish, but oh well, or just let it age, right? But yeah, so this is the result. As you can see, as you can see, so I really like it. The only thing is that I don't like is the, I don't know. There's no reason why I don't like it, but I really love it, you know, because oh my god, like seriously, jeez, and it is so hot. But if you like me that like leave your hair air dry and toweling it, that's not even a word, but but you could like use the I think the second setting to the second heat setting to on and the full blast fan, and it will like won't damage the hair at all. If you have like a redness thickness here that have full water in it and you cannot get the water out, I would recommend you to use all the setting, but just be careful. Just use heat timer spray because that will save your life. So yeah, yeah, I really like it. I've been wanted to like show you guys this for like probably 3 months now, but like I haven't get a chance to show it to you guys. But yeah, I really like it. But I didn't have the chance to like get to know it, but now I know. That's not even making sense, yeah. But anyways, yeah, I really like it, but the money is too much for me. I was this will cost probably about like $200 to plus tax. So like everyone can like buy this, and since it is too expensive, I have no money. My boyfriend is blasting at me that day, and I was about to like cry in chair, but like my boyfriend understand me since my hair dryer broke. So yeah, I really like this. I'll give this a 10 since why it is really quiet. So you don't wake up your boyfriend, your family, your neighbors. That is so annoying. But yeah, I think that's it. That's the only two that I came up with. But I could like have more. I'll link the hair dryer below. You could order this in Sephora, also Beauty, or Amazon, I think, or eBay. But like I checked eBay and Amazon, and they're like really expensive to me that day. So I just like like I could just like go in to Sephora or Ulta Beauty to like just purchase this on hand, because again I don't have a hair dryer. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thumbs up for more videos about my hair, my hair liking, or you know what I mean. So anyways, bye.